Hi and welcome everyone. In this video, I will introduce you to Google Classroom, Google's great platform where teachers can interact with their students and the other way around. You can reach Google Classroom by typing in classroom.google.com in the address bar, or you can go to the waffle icon in the upper right corner and simply select Classroom. When you reach Classroom, you will see all the classes that you are part of, either as a teacher, as you can see here, or as a student. You can select one of those classes to go straight to the homepage, or you can go directly to the gradebook or the specific Google Drive folder that's dedicated to it. As a student, you have the option to go to the page where you can see all the assignments that you still have to complete. You can personalize this overview by clicking the three dots in the right corner, and you can move, edit, copy, or archive the class. When I go to Belgian history, the class that I'm teaching, you will reach the stream first. The stream is a feed where you can do specific announcements for your classroom or specific students of your class. You can share something with them, for example, a YouTube video or a Google Drive link or an attachment that you have placed somewhere on your hard drive. You can even share a specific URL. And as I've mentioned before, you can share it with all students of your class, or you can only share it with specific students. You can personalize this stream by uploading a specific photo in the header right here, or select a custom theme that Google has made for us. Also on top, the class code will always be displayed. This is the code you share with students or maybe co-teachers so they can reach this classroom. On top, we go to the second page, classwork. In classwork, we have an overview of all the assignments you have created for your students. If we click on the create button, we see all the types of assignments you can create. And you have some other options, for example, reusing a post that you did a few months ago, or you can create a topic. A topic is some kind of theme you can insert, and it can be used to categorize the assignments that you create. For example, I've created a topic exams. All the types of assignments that are related to exams I will put in here. I've created another topic, essays. All the essay assignments will appear here. On the classwork page, you can also reach the Google Calendar that's attached to it. So all the assignments with a specific deadline will appear there. And you can reach the class drive folder also by clicking this button. On the third page, we get an overview of all the people that are involved. So on top, we see all the teachers or co-teachers that are teaching this class. Beneath, we see all the students that are involved. You can manually add people by clicking the little icon here on the right. But an easier way to do it is to share the class code I've mentioned before with them. Finally, we can reach the grades page. As a teacher, you get an overview of which grades your students are getting on specific assignments you've created, and it will also show the class average. In the upper right corner, we can reach the settings. In class details, you can specify your class a bit more. For example, you can fill in the room where it takes place, or you can specify the subject. One setting that's very important under general settings is the stream setting. Here you can decide if students are or aren't allowed to post and comment announcements you have made, or post or share things themselves. Another thing you can decide is that deleted items are showed to everyone or only to teachers. finally, let's set up how the grades are calculated. You can set up a whole grading system by adding different grade categories, for example, class participation and essay writing. And then after that, you can set up how much each of these are worth. So you can decide a weight. For example, I want class participation to take up 20% of the total points and essay writing 80%. When you've done changing your settings, you click Save in the upper right corner and then just close the screen. So I hope you enjoyed this general overview of Google Classroom. Please reach out to us if you have any other questions, and feel free to check out our other videos in which we speak about these topics more into detail. See you soon.